To get further information about EDX integration channels, please refer to the EDX User Guide, Chapter 5, Integration Channels. EDX supports multiple integration channels. Its configuration should be done in the Integration Channels section of the EDX YML file. It's possible to set direction for AMQP, FSSF, Kafka and FTP endpoints. Input endpoints have direction in and output endpoints have direction out. To get further information about AMQP channel configuration, please refer to the EDX User Guide Chapter 5.3.1 AMQP configuration. To configure AMQP endpoints, fill attributes direction, queue name and code. If direction is in, fill also the reply queue name attribute. To get further information about FSSF channel configuration, please refer to the EDX User Guide Chapter 5.4.1 FSS configuration. To configure FSSF endpoint, fill attributes direction, directory and code. If direction is in, fill also the fail directory attribute or use the default value, which is directory failed under endpoints directory. To get further information about FTP or SFTP channel configuration, please refer to the EDX User Guide, Chapter 5.5 FTP SFTP. EDX is able to connect to the external FTP, FTPS or SFTP servers. Please note that EDX does not provide its own FTP server. As the system supports all variants of FTP, the configuration can be then quite complex. For configuration of FTP, the protocol, user, password, hostname, port, directory and code attributes are required. Other attributes as fail directory, reply directory, implicit SSL and passive mode are optional. There is also the connection params attribute, which can be used when connection requires an extra configuration options. It's typically related to server configuration and/or security settings. To get further information about Kafka channel configuration, please refer to the EDX User Guide, Chapter 5.7 Kafka. EDX is also able to connect to external Kafka brokers. Please note that EDX does not provide its own Kafka broker. Usage of Kafka is similar to the AMQP channel configured with an external AMQP broker. The configuration requires topic name, connection URL, option attributes, and reply topic name attribute for the input direction. There's also partition keymates headers attribute, which is used when the Apache Kafka topic is partitioned. To get further information about MADES web service configuration, please refer to the EDX User Guide, Chapter 5.6 MADES web service. Regarding the MADES web service, this channel is pre-configured and requires no other configuration. To get further information about routing configuration, please refer to the EDX User Guide Chapter 6 Routing. When integration endpoints are successfully configured, it will be also necessary to set some routes. Whole configuration of routes should be done in a route section in the EDX YML file. Configuration of routes requires 4 basic attributes, which are code, start, end, and steps. You can also use message type, sender, receiver, and service attributes to specify which route will be used. In case that the message conforms to more than one route, the route matching rules are applied to find the most specific one. For more information, please refer to the EDX User Guide. Save the EDX YML file and restart EDX Toolbox. Integration channels are successfully configured.